Hello and welcome. I haven't done the update for quite a bit of time. Not many people are interested in the update, but there are people who are, and our team as well. People who are not working close by me, but people who are working in general with us. So I thought I will share the update with you. Before I will talk about the workshop and everything at the workshop and book repair online, that speaker, that subwoofer was fixed. I only replaced the capacitor which I was showing on the video the other day, and that was the only fault in it. One dead capacitor. I didn't have the same capacitor which I've seen originally, but I bought one on eBay which was I think £4 for 10 of them or something. Let me go to the purchase history where it is. Okay, it's here. Let me show on the screen. So I bought this one. It's £4.49 for 10 pack. It's 10% only, but I knew it was in the power supply. I could afford 10% tolerance. 250 volts, 2.2 microfarads, and that fixed the subwoofer. So the subwoofer is ready to pick up tomorrow probably. We've got a skateboard over there which needs to be repaired as well. Yes, so skateboard has an issue with one transistor. I think it's a MOSFET. The rest of the readings were fine. My friend have tested, so we are waiting on that one to arrive. And if that will be worth showing, we will show it to use. I'm quite curious as well. I see that I haven't ordered it on haven't ordered it on eBay, so probably either I couldn't find it or I ordered it on AliExpress. We will see, because I remember I've ordered it. So anyways, we've got two TVs. One is Ferguson, which I can't find the backlight for, and one is a Polaroid, which I can't find the backlight for. So I've managed to find for one of them, for the Polaroid, and again I will share the screen. So it's P49FN0038K. That's the one. Yes, looked super cheap, 1340. And for the how you call it, for the Ferguson, gosh, I don't recall. I will use Vestel 65 inch VES650. Yes, so that's the one. It's 11 pieces and it's for 65 inch. I've checked. It's a 3 volt version which totals over 200 volts. When I took it offside, it's not ideal much, but it's quite okay. The only problem will be with the white sheet, which is different to what we have in the Ferguson. But for 30 to 56 I am keen to test it, to buy it, and so we will be seeing if I'm capable of replacing a Ferguson backlight with a new Vestel. I found the same backlight for 50 odd or 70 pounds on Line. I couldn't find the exact match, but I've seen in the UK something for 55 pounds. And when it comes to the Polaroid, I could find something for 33 pounds, but the guy was off till the 19th, so that's 8 days still from today. And I said, I found it on Google. There is this company called Bars. I'll show you if somebody want to buy from them. Bars TV LED Bars. TVLEDbars.com. That's their website. And I was able to find them, and they were 74. The Vestel one, 74.98. So I said I won't be risking 74 pounds, which is completely different model to the Ferguson, yeah, so I need to adapt them to match, probably solder them because you know the connectors won't work and so on, so that's my risk. Okay, so another thing is we're moving this room again. I thought it's a good idea to have it here because it's twice of the size, but actually no. So we're moving downstairs to the living room. Living room is the biggest room of all the rooms here in the house. Now what it is that the space size won't be twice, but it will be like 1.6, 1.8 times more than we've got it here, which is huge. This way I will be able to do 2 tables designated only for screen repairs and backlight repairs, like that, in the 90 degrees angle or on the back of each other. This way I will be getting more light during the daytime. This way customers will have access downstairs. This way I can access doors quicker when somebody is knocking. It's more benefit. There are a few downsides as well, but in general it's a it's a good stuff. Sorry, my throat is hurting a bit. Not a lot. I don't feel cold or anything or COVID, but I just, you know, I just feel the throat just tickling a bit. And yes, so that will be moving. I don't know yet when, but I know it's a must. And the next year when I will be ordering this place, first year, because that's the plan for the next year to get this place, I might be still building a shed. So part of the TVs which I can remove power supply and the motherboard can be taken outside to the shed, and at home only kept customers and our TVs in good enough order to keep them at home. So that would be awesome. So yes, will be quite a few changes. We've got 2 people helping me all the time on a part-time basis, and now 2 new people starting as well. We will see. There should be 6 in total, but people are not getting in touch with me, so I don't want to be pushy. If they don't wanna and they know about this YouTube channel that I'm sending updates here, if they won't be on top of their knowledge, I won't be chasing them, because everybody needs time to understand that they need to take responsibility on their own side as well, not only on my side, because yes, we're expanding the market, and yes, we've got customers from Glasgow to Edinburgh, and we growing. Even Cumbernauld customers are coming, from 5 customers are coming, so you know, so it's a huge area we're covering, and people are keen to spread the word about us. So in that case, you know, we would be keen to have people who we can have over there, who can just drop off, pick up the stuff from our customers, yes, and fix it. But unfortunately, the rest of the people, either we have to be really pushy to get in touch with them, or they are not at all on their own. So I don't want to be pushy. I do believe that you need to want to learn something, you know, be responsible enough, or it won't work. Yes. So unfortunately, you know, it's a waste of time, and hopefully some of them will come back and will be ready to learn on their own. It doesn't involve a lot of risk, it doesn't involve a lot of money, it doesn't involve on being on their shoulder and pat them at the back, you know, with a pet talk. It's just their will to learn and just their will to practice. If they live close by, they can show up once a week, once a month, up to them. And then when they practice something at home, we can check how they are doing it and help them to improve the skills if we still see some problem with the skill, yes. And then if they will start to know how to deal with those common issues with electronics, we can start to advertise that area and more and give them first jobs. Yes, it's a fair deal. And they've got Book Repair Online as well, the system which manage all their job from A to Z. Our team made awesome job. I don't see why not. We already have now shop in Book Repair Online, so each and every repair shop can have their own shop. I bought electronicsrepairshop domain name .co.uk, so we will be building website. I will find the time over there, and that's it. That's pretty much it. We've got chat built-in, so we will be able to speak in between repair shops as well. We've got forum built-in, so we will be putting issues together inside the forum so other people can help. And I would say it's a good software, good team, and we're growing, definitely. Now Kanban is dealt with because it was custom made manual, and which is great. But if we can pull data from the database of all our bookings into the Kanban and have to do automatically created each time when or booked in, yes, each time when somebody have booked in new order and it's in the column booked in, then I can move it, let's say, in a queue. Yes, so then technicians can pick up from in a queue those first. Yes, and then when these will go off, I can create more in the queue. This way, you know, they can drag and drop to do, and we will see which technician have done it. So we got in the history of the ticket who was dealing with what, and then they can consult with us the spare parts and whatever it's a fault, and then we can pass on the information on to the customer or update the ticket, and that will send automatically the message to the email to the customer. So this way, you know, we can ask customer to look for the email, and if they are happy, they can just confirm that we've got a green light, we can order parts, and this way everything is organized and we've got no hassle with anything. For now it's up to 5 jobs per day. In a busy days it's up to 10 jobs per day here, so it's not that slow. It's busy, and we had first return. We gave back Nintendo Switch, which we couldn't do on time, so I had to give it back to the customer. I said, look, I don't want to hold it for a month or something. We came back from holiday and we can't do it quickly enough, so either you're taking it or it might take us a few weeks before we will even look at it, so we don't want you to withhold. And she said, no, I understand, I'm here in the area so I can pick it up. I said, I'm sorry, if I would know that it will take so long, I wouldn't take this job even from you, but because we went on the holiday, first me and then my friend for 2 weeks, and now he's on the sick, we can't do things on time. And for some jobs I'm saying no, and to some jobs I'm saying will be delay. So it is busy. So that's all the updates. As you see, the workshop is growing, members are growing. We've got first NDA signed with people. Now will be another NDA signed with another person who I'm working for quite a bit of time, and no disclosure agreement for those who don't know what the NDA stands for. And we're trying to get suppliers as well to work with us. We've got some already working, and I will be having probably first purchase from Polish company. That's import, so that means we need to pay import fees. What can you do? And I know as a fact that I prefer leaded, and leaded solder, it's just easier for me to work with, and so I would definitely buy, because I've got a business, so I can buy it on business. I need to just check if it's legal for me to buy, and you know, and that's it. Yes, and then we could have it available in our shop for all our repair technicians. And I will buy at least 10 kilograms minimum, because I've checked the pricing, and I would say that 10 kilograms is probably the minimum what I'm going to buy. You can't buy small quantities over there, so 250 or 30 grams is a no. So you have to pay some money to get it, but it's worth, long term it's worth, because even my technicians, already 3 of them said that they wanna buy as well. So if only one of them will buy each, that's 1 kilogram for them. I need second tab for the second table, because we've got almost all equipment for that table, second one. So 2 technicians need to have always the same equipment to work on at the moment, because it's too much work, and that's what we're aiming for. So guys, 15 minutes update, 16 minutes update. Hopefully you see what is cooking here, and I can say exciting times. We are planning to launch membership in not a long time now, because we are nearly ready. Our QA and our web security teams are working to make sure that everything is fine. Co-founder of Inte.Team is making sure as well that the web app for Inte.Team is working fine. So I can say I'm super excited. I can't wait, because we've got many people interested with membership, and I will be super excited to see first people signing up. That will be awesome. Guys, 2 years of preparation, and we need a win now. Yes, so guys, see you later. Thank you for watching. You've got all the updates. I couldn't do it quicker. I would have to split it into episodes, so here it is. Yes. All the best, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.